We are pleased to show you the 2018 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, splash guards, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.